In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display WooCommerce products on a WordPress page. To get started, open the WordPress page where you want your products to appear. This could be a home page, a shop-related landing page, or any custom page where you want to showcase items to your visitors. Once you've found the right page, go ahead and open it in the editor. Next, edit the page so you can insert the product display exactly where you want it. Think about the layout before you place anything. For example, you may want the products to appear below an introduction, under a heading, or in the middle of a sales section. Placing the products in the right spot can make the page feel much more organized and easier to browse. Now add a WooCommerce products block, or, if you prefer, use a shortcode. The block option is usually the easiest if you're working in the standard WordPress block editor because it gives you visual controls and a live preview while you build. A shortcode can be useful if you're working in a section that supports shortcodes, or if you want a more compact way to insert the product list. After adding the block or shortcode, choose whether you want to display all products or only selected products. Showing all products works well for a general shop page or a broad catalog section. If you only want to highlight certain items, like featured products or a smaller curated group, selecting specific products is the better choice. This helps keep the page focused and more relevant to the audience you're targeting. Once that's set, configure the number of products you want to show and the number of columns. This part affects both the appearance and the usability of the page. Fewer columns can make product cards larger and easier to read, while more columns can help you fit more items on the screen at once. Try to balance visual appeal with readability, especially for mobile and tablet visitors. If needed, select categories or other filtering options to narrow down what appears. This is especially helpful if your store has many products and you only want to show a specific collection, type, or theme on that page. Filters help keep the content aligned with the purpose of the page. When everything looks right, update or publish the page to save your changes. Then open the page on the front end of your site and confirm that the products appear correctly. Check that the layout looks clean, the correct products are showing, and everything displays properly across the page. If needed, you can always return to the editor and make small adjustments.